Come.
Big smiles, everybody. Very nice. Sapna Bhabi, come on, we need to see your big smile. Anuj, yalla. Please. The doctor, I saw. Welcome. Yes. This whole cast was. See, this is the beauty of a live event. Anything can happen. Kuch bhi ho sakta hai na? Thank you. Everybody give us massive smiles, please. Amit, you may want to enter the checkered screen, please. Thank you. That would be really nice. Yeah. Vikram, you may have to move a little that side. Yeah. Oh, yeah, okay. Super. Yeah. Yay, guys, let's be happy. Yay. Thank you. Everybody happy? We got the photographs? Yes? We all? Okay, good. Just a forecast? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. I'm going to request Madhavan, Amit, Sapna, Atharva, please join us on stage. Thank you. Thank you. And I'm going to re-invite you guys back on stage for a little chit-chat. Come close, give us your smiles. Ladies and gentlemen, playing Danny Mascarenas, a caring, doting father who goes to unimaginable lengths to save his son, Mr. R. Madhavan. As Kabir, the brilliant but unconventional officer of the crime branch, Amit Saad. Rhea Ganguly, played by Sapna Bhabi, an independent woman who's caught between an alcoholic husband, Kabir, and a very painful past. Amit Saad. This is not reality. The delightful Atharva Vishwakarma as Josh Mascarenas, the character around which this entire series is built. All right. So in a few moments from now, we're gonna. Okay. So right after these pictures, this side, left, right. Bravi. Okay. Okay. I'm going to request the chairs to be rolled in, please, because we have a little bit of a chit-chat. So could you please roll in the chairs? I can hold that for you, Maddie. I'll hold that for you. Thank you. All good? Yay, everybody. Please. So I now get the opportunity to have a little bit of a rendezvous with the incredible cast of Breathe. Do you want that? Do you want that? Want this? Oh, Chashma. It's there. Yeah. You need the brochure, yeah? Okay, it's right here. All right, so let's just begin like, you know, a casual chat. And first on the list, are breaking the internet Madhavan. Please tell us what breathe means to you.
Thank you very much. Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. साल में एक या 2 साल में एक बार आपसे मुलाकात होती है तो माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. लेकिन the reason I take that much time is because I need to get really, really excited about what I'm doing. And Breathe was by far one of the most exciting projects that I've ever heard or done. And to be honest with you, I think I have to tell you how it started. I was in the US, and my team called me and said, Mr. Bikram Malhotra is going to talk to you about a web series at that time. Sorry, it was called that. And then I said, no, 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 yaar, why web series? And then, but I knew Vikram. Vikram and I worked closely during Tanu Veds Manu. And I know the kind of movies that he's made, so I knew that this is going to be a very unique thing if Vikram is telling me about it. So I heard him over the phone, and I was blown. I was all going to say no. I'm saying that I had a lot of films to finish last year. But once I heard the script, I was blown, because the shooting of this one was coinciding exactly with the shooting dates of my Tamil film Vikram Veda, which is why the look is the same. But when I came back and I heard the story from Mayank, all I can tell you is, in all humility and honesty, that this is the best piece of work that I've ever done in my career so far. Wow. It really is.
Wow. The same question applies to Sapna and Amit. Please share with us what breathe means to you. I remember having a chat with you, Amit, and you told us the kind of depths you went into embracing this alcoholic character, and you said that this guy knows no boundaries.
It's a lie.
It's a lie?
Yeah, it's all a lie.
Yeah, you're just a fabulous actor, aren't you?
What does breathing means to you?
It means not having to use my inhaler. I'm a mathematics, so yes.
For me, right now, first of all, hello everyone. Good to see all of you. For now, breathe is everything.
Right.
Yeah.
And Sapna, for you?
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
To me, breathe, almost similar to Maddie, I think it's a game changer. Even when I read the script and I got to know that I'm going to be playing a character that's quite elder to me in real life, I was a little taken back, but the script was so phenomenal, and I felt like it's something that it's required. I think it's required in Indian entertainment today, and I'm so glad that I'm a part of it. So thank you, Mike and Hamilton.
Well, congratulations.
And also, Sapna forgot to tell that she worked for about almost a year and a half working on the accent. And I think we really appreciate it. She really pulled it up.
Yeah, because for all those of you who don't know, it's live sound. We haven't dubbed anything in Breathe. So that's a big pew when actors have to do live sound in today's era. So yeah, well done, Sapna.
Well done, Sapna.
Shukriya.
Oh, lovely. All right, we've got Atharva. Atharva, you have been phenomenal, right? Everybody knows that. Do you agree? Do you agree? Yeah. Josh. Okay, so what was it like playing the son to R. Madhavan? कैसा लगा आपको?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था जब टेक नहीं चल रहा होता है तो ये हमेशा मेरे साथ खेलते थे.
अथर्वा, एक और चीज़ है जो आप मुझे पहले बता रहे थे. आपको ऑडिशन के बारे में कैसे पता चला?
पापा के मोबाइल पे मैसेज आया था.
और फिर आपने क्या किया?
उसके बाद उन्होंने बोला था कि इतने सारे ऑडिशंस हैं तो आज देने जाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, और फिर आप इंदौर से बॉम्बे कैसे आए?
उसके बाद हमने स्लीपर बस ली थी, उससे आए थे.
और जब आपको पता चला कि ये जो ब्रीद है Amazon प्राइम ओरिजिनल, इसमें आप फाइनल हो चुके हो और आप आर माधवन के बेटे का किरदार प्ले करने वाले हो, तो आपको उस पहले दिन क्या लगा?
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं बहुत बड़ा एक्टर बन जाऊंगा और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था मुझे.
और एक और चीज थी जो आपने कहा था, आपको लगा था कि आपने एक और चीज कही थी, फाड़ देंगे, कुछ ऐसा कहा? हाँ, प्लीज एक बार फिर से बताना हमको.
कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था.
Now see, this is called being politically correct, ladies and gentlemen. He's already gotten into the right space.
But I've worked with many co-stars. I've worked with some brilliant actors in my life, some legends. But it will not be too far out to say that this little kid over here has been one of the most spectacular co-stars I've ever had. And surely in terms of the craft, not as a person, not as a child or how comfortable or how dedicated he is, he's frighteningly talented. Every time I had to do a scene with him, I think Mayank will agree, whatever improvisation that I did, and remember it's live sound, so whatever improvisation that I did, he was so quick on the uptake with his reactions, with his emotions, also pitching in with the words on his own, that it started frightening me in between. I'm like, Arey, acha, I'm taking this guy very lightly. पता चला यही मेरा फाड़ देगा basically like that. What you said, right?
Yeah,
फाड़
so
देगा.
literally, I was talking to him there, and I said, "आपको कैसा लगा?" मुझे लगा मैं फाड़ दूंगा. I was like, "Wow, okay."
But when you see him, you'll know what I mean. Really spectacular talent. तो बहुत बड़ा actor बनेगा बेटा. Seriously.
And अमित सर कह रहे थे कि second season में आप सबको acting सिखाने वाले हो. Is
We'll
that
take
true?
the workshops. Yeah.
All right. Sapna, tell us a little about Ria and how close to home is it as a character? Is it close to home?
Ria's actually not close to home. As I mentioned earlier, she's a much elder character. She's a wife, she's a mother, and it's definitely not something I am right now. So, not so familiar, but at the same time, she was also familiar in the ways that she's a modern woman. You know, she's a metropolitan Indian girl, I think the growing trend right now. And she's caught between her husband and the awful memory of death of her daughter. And she's trying to get through that. And I think that women today, especially in India, we're trying to take on a lot of roles right now. And I think it's quite empowering. So I think Ria's quite an empowering character for women. Yeah.
Well, thank you for sharing. Vijay, this is the second Amazon Prime original. So what should the audience expect from this?
From this one?
Yeah.
No, from the last one.
Yeah. Give us a little bit of inside edge into this one.
Well, I think you know, the first original kind of gave both our customers as well as our creators a glimpse of what we're really capable of. I think, and now that there is an expectation, I'm putting myself out there. I do believe that Breathe will set new standards, both in terms of customer experience and as far as entertainment is concerned, and you know, crack open a whole bunch of opportunities for potential creators. They'll see just how liberating it is and just how committed we are to bringing variety of stories to the service and to our customers. So I think this one's going to set new standards and new goals. Personally, I'm a big fan of psychological thriller drama. And I believe, and I hope you will share this sentiment once you've seen it, it's right up there. It's world class. It's going to compete with some of the best
Trailer
shows that are
surely
out there.
speaks it. Yeah, the trailer surely speaks it. Vikram, please share with us, this is your digital debut. Yeah. So after making, you know, incredible entertainment on the largest screen, how does this plan to keep people on the edge of their seats? I mean, this is not an ordinary territory. This is quite extraordinary. So how did you put this entire crew together,
Destiny plays a major role in our business. It had taken some convincing to this gentleman here to come work on the long format because he was very used to the film and the feature film format of work. Everything thereon sort of seemed predestined, from the wonderful cast to the writers to the crew coming on board. I think good and clean intent and the desire to tell a story that you're convinced of always shows off, always pays rich dividends when like-minded people come together. Yes, this is Abundancia's digital debut. We're very excited about it. There have been so many stories that we've broken genres with, that we've tried to tell, which are based on insights, which are based on everything that we see and hear around us. And we believe this is a universally connecting story. The characters are very impactful yet relatable. It entertains and is gripping at the same time. And the emotion, like I said, is universal. So everything just sat down in order for us to put this together. And the experience, our partnership with Amazon Prime Video on this has been fantastic. The kind of liberty that we were given to put this together, the support that we've gotten all through. I mean, there are people who are not in this country, the post-production team sitting all over the world, the kind of support we got there. I mentioned people from the India team. It's just been a great run, and we've thoroughly enjoyed ourselves.
Thank you so much for sharing. I think before we close this Q&A, Maddie, do you have anything else to add? Yeah.
Sorry. I just wanted to tell you that I mean, this is all about how it is lovely working with each other and everything, but in terms of the story, it was very, very unique. All I'd like to say is that some stories render themselves to a short format where you can see it on a television series for about half an hour. Yet others have to be good enough for a film content to be seen only on the screen in the theaters on a Friday morning. And there are yet other content which have so much of work and story to be told and twists and turns that they render themselves wonderfully to a long format. And I think for every director, producer and actor, the key is to know which category the subject that's being narrated to you falls in. Which with this story, you know, as a story you might have realized, they say the heaviest coffin is that of a child. And this is the story of a guy who, you know, whose child is in danger of not going to be with him for a while and just going to be, you know, well, whose life is under threat. What would you really do if, and you know, that is the best part of the story is we've kept it completely real. There are no superhuman people in this story. Mayank has gone and the entire team has taken great efforts to keep it as real as possible. So what would really happen if somebody really close to you, especially a child, you know, is under threat, or there is a threat to his life, and you know that by doing certain things you can save him, irrespective of whether it's on the right side of law or not. Big predicament, and a story that has been so beautifully woven that I will go out on a limb and say that the 7th and 8th episode of this particular web series is by far the best season finale that I've ever seen amongst any web series. And then the quality that Amazon has put us into, you know, in terms of it. I think, when did we finish shooting? December last year? No, April this year. And it's taken us 8 months of post-production and therefore the quality. So I think you can look forward to a really, really special product. That's all I wanted to say.
Thank you. Mayank, first of all, what an intriguing name, Breathe, by itself. And, well, to add to that, I would like to ask you, I mean, we've kind of brought this entire series to the forefront, calling it a psychological thriller. But would it be fair to also call it a murder mystery? Would you call it a murder mystery?
No, I don't think I'm going to call it a murder mystery.
I don't know, it was here on my screen. You should...
It's okay, yeah, there are murders happening, you could see it. So it's... but yes, it's not a murder mystery. It's not a whodunit. We know the reason. We know the emotional connect, the emotional reason why this character, what is he doing. But the most interesting part is how he does it. There are a lot of twists and turns. Over 330 minutes of content. It's every episode has various moments, various hook points, various moments where you really don't expect. Both of these characters, the best part about Danny and Kabir, I feel, was the unpredictability. You know, both of them don't talk. This man doesn't.
Yeah, he doesn't talk here also on stage. He's totally in character.
He doesn't like to talk to other characters in the show. That's
he doesn't like to talk.
No.
He likes to talk.
And
he does.
Danny is a man who can't express, who can't talk, who can't share what he's really going through. And the way they have really done it, it's commendable. It's gonna shock you. I can really assure it. Or जो trailer में दिख रहा है, that I can say it with confidence. It's just 20-25% of what you're going to see in the whole show.
So we've got 8 episodes. What's the duration of each episode?
Close to 40-41 minutes.
Close to 40. Last question before we open it up to the media and press. I think everybody wants to hear you speak, so just say anything. I don't know, just say anything.
Yeah. To be honest, when Kubra has the mic, I keep shut.
That is not true. That is not true.
And all I can just say is I'll just be a little conservative for a change. But like as Maddie sir said, Mayank, Vikram, Vijay, Sapna, I'm very excited, like all of us, to be a part of this beautiful Amazon original called Breathe. And to be honest, I'm still very anxious and curious that once this comes out, which is soon, to actually see, I mean, how this affects your breath. So that's it.
Thank you. And well, now, ladies and gentlemen, the floor is open for your questions, so please do raise your hand, state your name, media, publication that you represent, and who the question is directed to. We've got a person right there. Do we have microphones moving around the room, or do you want me to? There, we do have one.
Hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, no points on guessing. The first question comes from Alok. Yeah, forget the mic, Alok, yeah.
सर ट्रेलर बेहतरीन है तो बधाई दूंगा पूरी टीम को ऑसम सवाल ये है कि किरदार की स्किन में इस बार जाने का क्या प्रोसेस था मैडी सर आपका अमित किस तरीके से क्योंकि हम पोस्टर देख रहे हैं तो काफ़ी इंट्रीगिंग सा लग रहा है और ट्रेलर में भी तो आप दोनों प्लीज़ अपना प्रोसेस बताएं
देखिए जब मैं अभी तक मतलब कई सालों से सिर्फ फिल्म करता रहा हूँ और जब मैंने ये कहानी सुनी मैं एक चीज़ भूल गया कि हम तकरीबन 380 मिनट का कंटेंट बना रहे हैं यानी कि तकरीबन 4 फिल्में 3-3.5 फिल्में तो क्या होता था ना आलोक कि जब भी हम शूटिंग पे जाते थे तो पता चल रहा कि तीसरे दिन पे हम 8वें एपिसोड का क्लाइमैक्स शूट कर रहे हैं पता चला 44 दिन पे हम जो है सेकंड एपिसोड का इनिशियल चीज़ शूट कर रहे हैं तो ये कैरेक्टर ग्राफ जो बनाकर उसको फॉलो करना होता है ना कि इस स्टोरी में पता नहीं एडिट होके क्या आ जाए क्या इस एपिसोड का लेंथ सही है तो अगर पहले ही काट दें तो जर्क ना लगे इन टर्म्स ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस वो मेरे लिए मतलब खौफ बन के रह गया था पहली बार लाइफ में मैंने हर एक सीन के बाद एक पेपर में लिखा कि भाई मैंने इस सीन को छोड़ा कहाँ पे था और छोड़ा कहाँ पे है और किस टाइप की एडिटिंग के बाद ये कहाँ पे कनेक्ट होगी और किस तरीके से मुझे उसका ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा तो ये बड़ा मतलब एक लेबोरियस जॉब था बट एक्सट्रीमली एक्साइटिंग अब जब मैं देखता हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि भाई कहीं ना कहीं हिसाब सही था
अमित
कैसे हैं आप आलोक भाई
बेहतरीन सर
क्या चल रहा है
बस आज तो ब्रीज चल रही है
फॉग नहीं चल रहा
भारत में इस समय ब्रीज चल रहा है
अरे हम जब भी मिलते हैं ऐसी घटिया बातें करते हैं अच्छा सवाल तो बहुत अच्छा पूछा आपने क्या था सवाल सॉरी
इस किरदार
कैरेक्टर यार I don't know what to say. It's a very challenging part, and I'm very grateful that I got to do this part. But I will give all the credit to the makers and the writers and my director to kind of come up with a storyline like this and my character. And I'll be more happy you watch the show and then talk about my process because right now it'll sound Greek. But Sapna, I think, wants to say something.
I think maybe sometimes you didn't shower. Will you just come
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that?
you were
Does it give you
telling me
that
about
look? That's for the accent back.
Imran bhai, do you love?
विक्रम सर एक फुल फ्लेज फिल्म बन सकती थी लेकिन आपने ये एपिसोड ही क्यों बनाना चाहा वो भी
जो फुल फ्लेज्ड फिल्म बन सकती है उसको फुल फ्लेज्ड फिल्म बनना चाहिए जो लॉन्ग फॉर्म में कहानियाँ कही जानी चाहिए जिन कहानियों को एक ठहराव चाहिए होता है जिन कहानियों को एक पर्सनल एंगेजमेंट चाहिए होता है ऑडियंस के साथ ये वैसी एक कहानी थी हम बात करते हैं नए मीडियम की हम बात करते हैं बड़े स्क्रीन से छोटे स्क्रीन्स की इसमें एक बहुत बड़ा फ़र्क होता है जब आप एक थिएटर में जाकर फिल्म देखते हैं वो कम्युनिटी व्यूइंग होती है आप बहुत और लोगों के साथ बैठ के वो कहानी को एंजॉय करते हैं ये फॉर्म में ज़्यादातर व्यूइंग पर्सनल होती है ये ऐसी कहानी है जिसकी ग्रिप आप पर पर्सनली ज़्यादा वर्क करेगी तो पहले दिन से हम कन्विंस थे कि इस कहानी को वो लंबाई और वो ब्रीदिंग स्पेस देनी चाहिए I've just heard it so many times today, so I'm giving in.
Hi, Madhavan. This here.
हाय
इसमें ऑर्गन डोनेशन की बात की गई है तो उस पर किस तरीके से एम्फेसिस किया गया है और ये क्या लोगों को कुछ जागरूक भी करेगा उस बारे में
हाँ जैसे मैंने तो ऑलरेडी अपने आप को ऑर्गन डोनर रजिस्टर कर दिया था कुछ 10 साल पहले और मुझे लगता है कि अगर इसके बारे में लोगों को जानकारी मिलेगी कि अगर एक इंसान की वजह से 5 लोगों को ज़िंदगी मिल सकती है अगर लोगों को अब पता चलेगा कि जापान और फ्रांस जैसे देशों में ये कंपलसरी है और इसके पीछे में जो मिथ है कि लोग समझते हैं कि अगर आपने ऑर्गन डोनेट किया तो आपकी अधूरी शरीर जो है वो स्वर्ग नहीं जाएगी ऐसे थोड़ी थोड़ी जो गलतफहमियां हैं इसको हमने एड्रेस किया है इस फिल्म में और हम इसे बढ़ावा देने के लिए नहीं बना रहे थे हमारी पूरी कोशिश ये थी कि एक अच्छी कहानी बनाए पर इसके दौरान एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी थी कि कोई इस नेक काम को मतलब कोई बाधा ना पहुंचे और अगर हो सके हमसे हमारी तरफ से तो some sort of encouragement ज़रूर मिले. तो we were completely conscious. टेक्निकली हमने बिल्कुल सही चीज़ें की हैं, पूरा रिसर्च करके सबसे पूछ कर किया है. तो मुझे लगता है कि डेफिनेटली ये जो मूवमेंट है ऑर्गन डोनेशन का इस पे बहुत अच्छा असर पड़ेगा.
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार.
माधवन जी, मैं अल्ताफ शेख बॉलीवुड बबल से सबसे पहले आप सबको शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ. बहुत अच्छा लगा.
थैंक यू अल्ताफ.
मैंने आपको तोहफा कबूल करते हुए देखा है, कहते हुए देखा है. ये आपके फैंस के लिए एक बहुत अच्छा तोहफा है. मुझे लगता है अलग अदाकारी आप कर रहे हैं, गंभीर अदाकारी आप कर रहे हैं. मुझे याद आता है अनिल कपूर की जो सीरीज़ थी 24 और अमिताभ बच्चन जी की जो युद्ध थी, तो उस तरह से कुछ किरदार मिलता जुलता लग रहा है. तो आप उस तरह की अदाकारी से अब इस तरह की अदाकारी कर रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए आपने कैसे अपने आप में बदलाव किया? क्या आपने किसी से टिप्स लिए या उनके जो किरदार हैं वो आप पर कुछ प्रभाव कर गए हैं? ये मैं जानना चाहता हूँ.
नहीं, मैं उतना मतलब काबिल एक्टर नहीं हूँ. अपने आप को समझता हूँ कि मुझे उन लोगों के साथ compete करने का हिम्मत भी हो. क्योंकि चक्कर ये है कि भाई साहब ये बहुत डरावना एक एक्सपीरियंस है हर एक एक्टर के लिए. क्योंकि जो भी काम मैं करता हूँ और जो मुझे लगता है कि जिसके साथ मैं जुड़ना चाहता हूँ, मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो एक अलग किस्म की जगह बना दे मेरे लिए इतिहास में. तो वो एक मतलब मेरे लिए वो कीड़ा है. पर जब मैं काम करने लगता हूँ तो सर बहुत डरा लगता मुझे. कभी कभी तो ये लगता है कि भैया मैंने इंजीनियरिंग छोड़ के क्यों एक्टिंग की. ये खौफ हो जाता है. इनफैक्ट आपको पता है फर्स्ट डे जो है हम जब जाते हैं और हमें लगता है कि सारे स्पॉट बॉय, सारे असिस्टेंट्स, सारे कॉस्ट्यूमर, जितने भी लोग सेट पे ना, वो देख के मेरे एक्टिंग पे मुझे हंस रहे हैं. मुझे लगता है कि यार मैं अपने असिस्टेंट को बोल रहा हूँ, देख यार किसी को मतलब कोई जोर से तो नहीं हंस रहा मेरे काम पे. ये लेवल का डर होता है. तो और ख़ास करके अगर आप पूछोगे कि इसका फ़ायदा क्या है, मैं आपको फ़ौरन बोल दूंगा कि मुझे फ्राइडे आफ्टरनून में और क्रिटिकल रिव्यूज़ की वजह से मेरी फिल्म वीकेंड में न चलने की जो डर है वो नहीं है इसकी वजह से. तो ये कलेक्शन की बात नहीं है इसमें. वो तो एक एडवांटेज है. वो एक
ब्रो आप भूल रहे हो मैडी सर, रिव्यूज़ तो यहाँ भी आएंगे.
नहीं भैया, रिव्यूज़ तो आने ही हैं, आनी भी चाहिए. लेकिन मैं कह रहा हूँ फ्राइडे इवनिंग कलेक्शन वजह से मेरा मार्केट गिर जाएगा, ये नहीं होगा. ये
मुझे स्ट्रेस नहीं, मेरी मार्केट ही नहीं है.
मैं ये जानना चाह रहा था कि आपके बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं अदाकार, तो किसी से आपने टिप्स वगैरह लिए हैं, किसी से बात की कि मैं इस तरह का किरदार निभाने जा रहा हूँ, या मयंक जी ने आपको किस तरह से गाइडेंस किया कि ये इस तरह से निभाना?
यार अब जब आप ये कह रहे हो तो मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे कर लेना चाहिए था. मैंने किया नहीं. डरा रहे हो आप मुझे. लेकिन मैंने पूरा भरोसा मयंक पर रखा था. आई थिंक जब भी मैं कोई फिल्म सेलेक्ट करता हूँ तो मैं डायरेक्टर के साथ बहुत रोमांस करता हूँ और मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि उनको गुस्सा कब आता है, वो कब हार मान लेते हैं, कब छोड़ देते हैं, या फिर अपनी बातों पे डटे रहते हैं. तो ये सारी जानकारी के साथ ही मैं हाँ बोलता हूँ. और मुझे पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस ये था कि मयंक वाज समबडी I would love to submit myself completely to, which is what I did during the shoot.
Hi Madhavan.
Hi.
Russell here from Moviefied.
Hi.
Okay, first of all, I would like to congratulate the entire team. The trailer truly looks on par with the Breaking Bads and Dexters of the world.
Thank you.
Okay. Also, my question to you is, you had started in the South and you had done some great films with Manish sir and all. And along with the time with Vijay, Ajit, you all were along at the same boat at that time. But then you started doing some work in Bollywood while they concentrated solely in the South. And today they are like Thalapati and Thala and all. Do you think so by alternating between Bollywood and South, somehow or another, you couldn't, today, you were not in the competition for a superstar like they are today?
Yeah, I am totally in agreement with you. It's Thala and Talapati, and they all have titles in the South. And Superstar itself is a title. They wanted to give me a title, but I said no. Yeah, they're very offended that I didn't want a title. They had all sort of titles. But I'll tell you one thing. My only biggest award in my life is after 20 years, I'm still playing the main leads in the kind of work that I want to do. And I'm known as Maddie Paji, Maddie Bhai, Maddie Bhaijan, Maddie Anne, all over the world. I think that is, I'm trying to show off, but I'm just saying that's an award that very few can claim.
What was the title they wanted to give you, if I may ask?
Punnagai Mandan, which means the King of Smiles.
Okay. And Sapna, my next question is to you. Before this, you had also done 24. You were Anil Kapoor's daughter over there. Do you think so that the TV is giving you a better opportunities as compared to Bollywood? You're doing such absorbing work over here.
No, I simply choose a role that I like, anything that I feel is going to challenge me or anything that I'm going to enjoy working on, basically. I don't think the platform matters. I think, particularly on Breathe, for example, I think the web series, the original series, it's more convenient for us, I mean, the audience to watch as well. We actually put in the same amount of work. I don't think the work differs depending on the platform. But in terms of choices, it's just the role, and I'm so glad that Mayank and Vikram, you know, allowed me to be a part of this, because this is definitely one of the best roles I've done, and very different. So whatever comes next, doesn't matter what platform it's on, as long as it's good.
I think we've got time for 2 more questions. Is that right? Yeah, 2 more.
All right. Hi. Hi, my name is Jigar. I am from Mumbai Live. My question is to Amit, Sapna, and Maddie, sir. The script caters a lot. I mean, it's around psychological thriller, but you have 2 kids on the sets. And how sensitive were you when, in terms of delivering something or keeping your script really safe from them, because they don't really get affected with the kind of words and the kind of content that needs to go in?
I think we were very sensitive about this, even in our communication as actors and as, you know, as co-actors amongst ourselves. I think there's a certain environment that has to be created when you have children around. Again, our director, Mayank, Maddie sir, Sapna, all of us, we were very, very sensitive and aware of that. And I would like to hope that our star had fun working with us, and yes, I think we really took care of it. Yeah.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think we made it into a completely PG-13 sort of a film, so there is no smooching scene or gory faces jumping out, things that you cannot see with the family. That's not there in this series at all. It's a completely family viewing above the age group of 13, simply because of the nature of the subject. But if it was to go for a censoring on thing, it would have been a U certificate, I think. Yeah.
One more question to Sapna and Amit. This series is actually coming in 2 other languages. One is Tamil and the other is Telugu. And Maddie sir has been in Tamil and Telugu for a really long time. So dubbing must have been probably easy for you. How difficult was it for you to adapt to another language? Or
Yeah, so Sapna took 1.5 years for that accent. I took about 300 days. Out of the 300 days, Mayank was writing. Sorry, 600
We were
days.
listening to him backstage.
600 days that he was writing.
600 days.
I worked on my Tamil, and all I want to say to you is Nanu Nai Katalikaren.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I was about to say, actually, you know, maybe you need to repeat the title that was given to Maddie.
That nobody can tell.
But jokes apart, and not to mislead the audience, it's been dubbed in Tamil and Telugu. We've not spoken with our original languages.
Hi, Mayank.
Thank you.
Anike Puriyelle.
Yeah. Hi, Mayank. Straight. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Mayank. Mayank, I want to ask you is, when we watch psychological thrillers or thrillers, especially in the long format, the element of a cliffhanger sort of hooks the audience to come back for more episodes. Like now, you said that this is not a murder mystery as such. It's not a whodunit. So how did you go about keeping that when you were scripting the story to make sure there's a hook, like keep the carrot hanging for the audience?
That's why 600 days. So, yeah, so that was the most crucial part, because the format is such of 8 episodes, and above that, we are not releasing all 8 episodes together. So we had that in mind, 3 episodes and then 1 episode every week. So for that, you know, you really need to push the level of writing, push the level of intelligence. Yeah, you can see the visuals, they're dramatic, they're larger than life, but the kind of planning, the detailing, the unexpected turns, the unpredictability of Danny Mascarenhas and Kabir Sawant, that's going to really make it very, very engaging. Even the characters don't know what's going to happen next, and same journey the audience is going to follow. That I'm very sure of. Though you know the motive behind it, but next moment क्या होने वाला है, वो breathless moment होगा for even the audiences.
Maddie sir, there's a strong emotional track beneath the thriller, and was there any particular scene or a moment where you had like a difficult scene which got emotionally very difficult for you to either act it out or process?
I think I cried twice on the set. So there was a moment, not even a single line, not even a single dialogue. Danny is just lying next to Josh and making him go to sleep, and he's just looking at him. So we rolled the camera. He started performing, just a silent shot, and I couldn't say cut. And so after once, somebody, mera AD was like, "Sir, ho gaya, bahut ho gaya." And jab cut bola, to not even I was really, tears were really rolling down, and I just panned my eyes, and my DOP, my lightmen standing there, they all got so emotionally moved with that particular moment. So there are many moments like that.
Sorry.
ये smile के साथ मारते भी हैं और
Oh, you're very kind. Yeah, but it was very well written. But all I will tell you is, I've done 67 films, yeah, and as an actor, the only thing that I think Amit, we all want to be is in front of the screen. But I'm telling you, I had to do scenes in this film that I never thought I would be given an opportunity to do. I mean, especially my scene with Nina ma'am. There is in the 7th episode. I don't know how. I wish I could tell you about it, but I can assure you, everybody in the world would have written a different script for that. Silence wouldn't have been one of the things, or one line that sums up the entire relationship between the mother and the father. I dug my teeth into it. I don't know if I'm talking too much and whether the people will hate it or not. There is a possibility of that too. But at the moment, I'm super excited about the kind of scenes that I got to do on a web series. That's the last, I'm not going to say web series. I'm not supposed to say web series. Digital content on Amazon Prime Original. So it was just, I'm so glad I did it. I'm very excited about it.
And same goes the few moments with Kabir, though trailer says about just a cop but there's a lot more to it. So there's a very strong emotional connect to Kabir Sawant also.
Beep.
Spoiler alert.
Anyways, when Mayank was on stage, Amit was like buzzer, buzzer, buzzer backstage.
संभाल लो इसको.
Hi Madhavan.
Hi.
Ravi from ABP News.
Hi.
माधवन आपने शुरू में बताया कि आप रिलक्टेंट थे कि ये सीरीज करे या ना करे, ये नए माध्यम में आप आए या ना आए इंटरनेट पे वेब सीरीज के जरिए. मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि क्या आपको लगता है कि इन दिनों इंटरनेट जो है या जो इस तरह के वेब सीरीज जो हैं वो सिनेमा फिल्म से ज़्यादा और टेलीविज़न पे जो शोज़ आते हैं उससे बेहतर कंटेंट प्रेजेंट कर रहा है, व्यूअर्स के पास जा रहा है, और व्यूअर्स ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट इस तरह की वेब सीरीज़ और इंटरनेट में दिखा रहा है, और सिनेमा में लोगों का इंटरेस्ट कम हो रहा है, टेलीविज़न में इंटरेस्ट कम हो रहा है? क्योंकि अगर पिछले साल का रिकॉर्ड देखा जाए हिंदी सिनेमा का, तो फुटफॉल जो है वो काफ़ी कम हुए हैं. बहुत अच्छी अच्छी फिल्में या बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में अगर अच्छी नहीं भी थी तो फ्लॉप हुई हैं. तो आपको क्या लगता है इन दिनों इंटरनेट या इस तरह की वेब सीरीज ज़्यादा बेहतर कॉन्टेंट दे रहा है? क्या आप कहेंगे?
3 चीज़ें कहूँगा. एक तो जी हाँ, ये एक नया माध्यम है जहाँ ढेर सारे पैसे बनाए जा सकते हैं, साथ ही अलग कंटेंट और बहुत ही हाई लेवल के कंटेंट आपको देना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि जो ये कंटेंट देख रहे हैं, ये आपके जो व्यूअर्स हैं वो दुनिया भर के कंटेंट इसी माध्यम से देख रहे हैं. तो चाहे वो हॉलीवुड का सीरीज़ हो जाए या स्पेनिश सीरीज़ हो जाए या कोई और सीरीज़ हो जाए, उसके अगर आप लेवल के नहीं हैं तो ये फ़ौरन आपको जेटसन कर देंगे, आपको मतलब बर्बाद कर देंगे. दूसरी बात ये है कि इस माध्यम में फ्यूचर बहुत ही ज़्यादा है. मुझे लगता है कि जितने डिजिटल स्मार्टफोन्स और जितने डिजिटल एवेन्यूज़ हैं इस कंट्री में, अभी तक उसके 3-4% भी हमने अभी तक एक्सप्लॉइट नहीं किया है. जहाँ तक फिल्मों की बात रही, वो तो हमेशा ही था कि अगर कंटेंट अच्छा नहीं है तो पिछले 6 साल से तो ये हमने कई बार देखा है कि पिक्चर चलती नहीं है, भले ही उसके जितने भी आप पब्लिसिटी कर लें या दिखा दें. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि अब जैसा मैं पहले कह रहा था कि एक कंटेंट की काबिलियत होनी चाहिए कि ये स्क्रीन पे दिखाई जाए, और एक आम आदमी मजबूर हो जाए पूरे ख़ानदान के साथ जाकर फ्राइडे मॉर्निंग जब आप उसकी नौकरी चल रही होती है या उसका काम चल रहा होता है, इसके बावजूद वो पूरे फैमिली के साथ या दोस्तों के साथ थिएटर में जाए और एक ऐसी कंटेंट को थिएटर में फ्राइडे को देखे. ये बहुत ही बड़ी एक बैरियर है जो कि वो अगर पूरे जैसे विक्रम कह रहे थे कम्युनिटी व्यूइंग एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहता है, तो उसके लिए किस टाइप के हम ट्रेलर या पब्लिसिटी बनाते हैं और क्या उसे मजबूर करते हैं हम फ्राइडे को आकर देखने के लिए। अगर वो फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे नहीं देखता है तो हमारे लिए तो वही कहानी ख़त्म हो जाती है। सो दैट वो क्वालिफिकेशन जो है आजकल बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्ट होने लगा है। तो आई डोंट थिंक इट्स, बट आई थिंक कि एंटरटेनमेंट बढ़ रहा है। आई थिंक हो सकता है कि फुटफॉल्स कम हो बट द रेवेन्यू इज़ मोर, एंड जो फिल्में अच्छी थी वो पैसे ज़रूर कमाई हैं, चाहे वो छोटी हो या बड़ी।
एक छोटा सा सवाल और था कि इन दिनों तमिलनाडु की पॉलिटिक्स में काफ़ी उथल पुथल है, कमल हासन और रजनीकांत जी आ रहे हैं,
ऐसा ही
आपके
सवाल
कोई
आएगा, totally unrelated।
इसे आप किस तरह से देखते हैं और क्या आपके भी कोई
यार
पॉलिटिकल
ये हमारी सीजन 2 की कहानी है, आप क्यों बता रहे हो?
देखिए अभी तो ये लोग शुरू ही कर रहे हैं और मुझे लगता है कि जो देश और जो स्टेट के लिए अच्छा है अगर वो हो तो एवरीबडी इज़ वेलकम। अगर आपकी नीयत ये है कि आप लोगों को सर्व करें, अगर आप पॉलिटिक्स में इसलिए आना चाहते हैं क्योंकि हमारे अमेरिका में जो हमारे बराक ओबामा थे वो 42 ईयर्स में प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स बने, तो अगर यंग लोग आ जाते हैं और अगर इनको मार्गदर्शक अच्छे मिल जाते हैं तो और स्टेट के लिए अच्छा होता है, दे शुड कम एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट दे हैव टेकन दीज स्टेप्स। I am not politically inclined for those of you who are asking me. I am not. I am an actor here and I see that as my prime job all my life. I will do whatever good I can in whatever form I can, but I don't think I need endorsement in the form of a politician to do the good in the society that I need to do. So that's very clear, that I'm very clear about.
माधवन, आप खुद इस तरह के वेब किसी वेंचर में खुद प्रोडक्शन के रूप में, प्रोड्यूसर के रूप में जुड़ना चाहेंगे? कोई आपके दिमाग में कोई आइडिया है अगर आप करना चाहें कोई वेब सीरीज? मेरी
परफॉर्मेंस देख के ब्रीथ में इतने खुश है कि मुझे लॉन्च करना चाह रहे हैं। इन्होंने कहा ये तो इतनी बार लॉन्च हुआ है तो अभी तक कुछ हुआ नहीं, मैं लॉन्च करूंगा अच्छे से।
अच्छा, ये अमित अक्सर कहते हैं पर यकीन मानिए बहुत ही कमाल के एक्टर हैं और मेरे को इनके साथ जितना मज़ा आया काम करने में, उसके साथ मुझे एक प्रॉब्लम हो गया क्योंकि हम इस वेब सीरीज़ में तो दुश्मन हैं और इनके साथ जो है कॉन्फ्लिक्ट सीन्स करने में प्रॉब्लम ये थी बिकॉज आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ हिम। जहाँ तक प्रोड्यूसर बनने का सवाल है, मुझे लगता है कि मेरा टाइम आ गया है कि अब मुझे हमेशा मैं फिल्म्स को सेटअप करता था, कहानियों को सुनकर जो लोग उसके साथ जुड़ने चाहिए उन्हें तय कर एक प्रोजेक्ट बना तो देता था, फिर मैं एक्टर बन जाता था। अब मुझे लगता है कि एक और कदम आगे बढ़ना चाहिए, सो मुझे लगता है कि ये वो कदम मैं इस साल ज़रूर लूँगा।
जॉनर क्या होगा? कोई सब्जेक्ट आपके दिमाग में हो?
जी हाँ, एक बायोपिक है, बस इतना ही बता सकते फिलहाल। हाँ,
अमित आप स्ट्रेट आपके गोल्ड के बारे में कुछ बता सकें अगर आप किस तरह
गोल्ड
का
के
एक्सपीरियंस रहा
दाम जो हैं पिछले 2 हफ्ते में बहुत बढ़े हैं,
प्लीज अमित
तो आप लोग वापस गोल्ड खरीदना शुरू कीजिए।
सीरियस नोट पे प्लीज बताइए
मत कीजिएगा,
एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है जो भी आप बता सकें।
बिटकॉइन मत कीजिएगा,
इट्स नॉट रियल,
काफी महंगा है वो।
no.
क्या बोल रही थी?
वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंस और जो आप शेयर कर सकें।
मैं अगर आप आज्ञा दें, ब्रीथ की जो टीम है, मयंक के सारे एडीज सामने खड़े हैं, शिवाजी सर, रोहन जिन्होंने कास्टिंग की, सुबू आर डीओपी एंड हिज टीम, ऑल द होल टीम इज देयर। इफ यू कैन जस्ट गिव अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर देम।
And I think we got one last question.
आप विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट्स मैं इतना कहना चाहूँगा, हम सब ने बहुत मेहनत की है। ब्रीथ के बारे में अगर आप बात करें तो बेटर रहेगा। जब उस चीज़ का वक्त आएगा मैं आपसे 3 दिन नॉन स्टॉप बात करूँगा।
Lovely. I will be the host.
Vijay, this question is for you. Vijay, hi. Bijoya here from Ad Gully. What's the content strategy for 2018 and special focus on the regional space, regional language space?
You know,
regional language space. What about that Kannada film?
Don't distract me.
क्या था मैं जब तुम लोग इसको ले रहे थे, मत लो इसको।
You know, that's a great question because, you know, it's really early hours of day one for us. We've just about gotten started and our true north really is customer preferences, both existing and evolving ones. All right. And so when we got started off, you know, we looked at what customers in India pretty much enjoy. We looked at what we can serve them well with and what we need to create. And Originals is really a strategy that was born out of creation. We have the most latest and exclusive and popular films, both in Hindi as well as 4 other regional languages. Besides US features, US TV and kids content. We will expand regional. We understand the local preferences are very strong. It's just a question of, doing that in a planned manner. And so we will be unveiling a lot many more, steps to our regional content strategy in the next 12 weeks, in terms of which other languages we will be taking a step into and what formats. So watch this space is what I can tell you.
Thank you.
Hi.
I think this would be the last question, if that's okay.
No. There's one question here.
Yeah. After you. Yeah, you are the last
Okay.
question. Yes, please.
Oh, can I go ahead?
Of course.
Yeah. Hi everyone. Firstly, congratulations on this gripping trailer. My question is for Madhavan. Actually, I have two. I'll run them quickly. One is the fact when you played a character in Vikram Vedha, your character was slightly idealistic. I mean, he saw things black and white. And in Breathe, your character is slightly gray. And you did mention that your shooting coincided. So how did you switch on and switch off?
Yeah, so that was a tough thing, because I'm very glad that you saw both and see the problem that I was faced with. The look was the same because I couldn't change because of the continuity. Of course, it was a short film. Short film to shoot in terms of duration, as far as Vikram Vedha was concerned. But it was tough. I swore I'll never do that again because, there was one place where I was being an alpha male, my voice was different, my, body language was completely different. And there was another place where I'm trying to play a weakling with a quirk. And it is not a smart thing to do. But I think that was a great phase in my life because I think Vikram Vedha also did really well. And I'm of the opinion that this is, if not better, equally good.
Wow. And if Vikram Vedha, is anyway in talks for a Hindi remake, who would you like to see in the movie?
Some actor who will give us great date and has a horrible, and has an enormous market. What am I saying?
Any names specifically?
No, I think it's too premature for me to talk about it. I don't know whether I'll be doing it also because it's actually a burden of love more than a creative call. So I've always shied away from remaking my own stuff in a different language except for Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein. So it's actually, but I can assure you that it's getting made this year for sure.
Well, thank you. Thank you so very much for all your questions. Some incredible participation from your side. But ladies and gentlemen, before we say goodbye, please stay with us as we re-invite on stage the connecting cast and crew who's here with us this afternoon. So could we please welcome back on stage Neena Kulkarni, Hrishikesh Joshi, Shishwara, Kali Prasad, Anuj. Please join us, please. Please join us back on stage. This has been an incredible journey. Ladies and gentlemen, needless to say, mark it on your calendars. The first 3 episodes of Breathe will be live for you to stream on any screen close to you on the 26th of January exclusively on Amazon Prime Video in 3 languages, Hindi, Tamil and Telugu. And this brings us to the end of our trailer launch. You watched it twice. Please do not forget to share the word, spread the love, spread the positivity, because you really don't know how far you would go to save the life of the ones you loved. Thank you everybody from the media and press for joining us. We've got refreshments that are served outside. Please be a part of this incredible journey. This engagement has been truly valuable. My name is Kubra Seth and I would thank you all for making your presence felt. And thank you for breathing with us. Ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath. Breathe is going to be live very soon, in the next 10 days. Thank you everybody. Have a lovely afternoon. Thank you everybody on stage. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.